Hello again. I just wanted to grab a little update on this little Kayla, Cape Lilac Mahogany. It's a KA-CLM-S. I did a setup on it and drop down its action and everything. Well, I did want to comment on that. It takes a good, straight, well-made ukulele to be able to drop a real low, professional style action onto them. And this thing, very, very straight. I dropped it down to a 2.25 millimeter at the 12th fret, and less than half a millimeter at the first fret. Very, very nice action, plays really, really, really nice. Like I said, I commented on that neck profile before, but like I said, they've changed that neck profile from the ones I've changed, I've tried before on the Kaylas, and that's just an extremely, extremely nice profile, not too rounded. I thought some of their necks are a little bit too rounded, and now I say that even my bub up there has got a rounded neck, but I just this one just feels better to me. I put a bone saddle in this when I done the setup, just because I had one sitting around, I didn't have to do too much work to, and I thought, well, see what that sounds like to it, or does to the tone. And really impressed with the change in it. I feel like it made it just a little bit louder. It already had good volume and everything. And I didn't really have any complaints about its sound before, especially for a $88 laminate ukulele. Sounded really, really good and excellent playability. But like I said, I thought it was a bit of improvement, and I just wanted to give a little bit of a sound sample on it again. Really, really nice tone. I think the sustain, it had good sustain before, but I think it might even have a little bit longer sustain than it did. Shenandoah, that'll show the sustain off. Do that again. Really, really, really nice tone, nice sound. Up the fretboard. Very impressed. And like I said, for the price, I mean, how you gonna beat that? I mean, as far as a $100 ukulele, you know what I'm saying? Well, I mean, I can't, say that I have anything that I have direct experience with to be able to well, you know, I have done, you know, the caramel ukuleles, you know, amazing little ukuleles, and I didn't have no complaints out of those. But a lot of those have went up, you know, and, you know, well over $100 bucks now. But anyways, you know, that little Kayla, I mean, absolutely amazing value. You know, no complaints on it at all. If you got Coaloas and stuff, you're playing it, you know, right side by side, then yeah, you know, you can tell a little bit of a difference. And, well, you know, the Kayla will be lacking just a little bit, in my opinion. But even then, you know, I mean, like I said, you know, it's got really good volume, really good tone. And, well, you're talking about a huge, you know, price difference there. Thanks for watching.